Friends, today's video is going to be very interesting, and it's not because this product is so special, as it is already a widely recognized product worldwide and is very popular, and I had 6 months ago, but today I got a chance to present it to you guys so that I can give you the best discount code on this product. This is an expensive headphone of flagship category, and I will tell you guys how you can get it at a very reasonable price. So must watch this whole video, you are going to enjoy it a lot. First check its unboxing video to see how it will be sent to you. Now let's see its unboxing and then we'll talk more about it. So friends, what do you think about this headphone? I won't go into detail because it's already a really good headphone and is very popular but expensive. I will just make its short review for you guys and tell you how you can get this expensive headphone brand new in very reasonable budget price. So let me now do a short review of it quickly. So first of all, this is a very good looking headphone, no doubt about it, and it looks expensive and flagship model too. And when it comes to its design, it is also very top class. It's actually extraordinary and they are very comfortable when you wear them, and you won't have any issues at all. Now if I talk about its sound quality, which is the main part, being a reviewer I have a lot to say, but here I will summarize everything for you. Just check these points. First of all, this is a high-end audiophile headphone with excellent sound quality. Mostly it's balanced, vocals are on point, but the bass here is very deep, detailed and wide. Overall, at its original price, I would give its audio quality 4 out of 5 stars, but at the price in which you may now purchase it, which is the discounted price, I will give its audio quality 5 out of 5 star, because then it's absolutely justifiable. And besides all this, it works wirelessly and you can use it as wired as well, but you might not want to use it wired because it gives you 80 hours of wireless playback time. That's really good, and there are many more things, but I will end my short review here. Let me now tell you how you can purchase this headphone at affordable price. So first of all, you guys have to open AliExpress. In the description below I have given all the links. One is at $300, the second one is $220, and the third one is $200. And along with these affordable prices, I have provided the extra discount codes also. When you use them, the prices will drop even more. So first of all, let's go to our first link, which will take you directly to the Edifier official store on AliExpress where the price is 300 US dollar. By the way, all the three links are reliable, but this is the official store of Edifier. So if you want to purchase officially from Edifier, that's why I have provided this link as well, which is a little expensive from others too, but I wanted to give you all the options. Do not buy it directly at 300 US dollar price, which is already a low, but wait for 11/11 sale or Black Friday sale or any other sale. Its price will drop to 240 US dollar instead of 300, and even then don't buy it direct. Below in the description I have provided the discount codes which is valid for all the products on AliExpress. Apply the discount code and you can get this product in just 215 or even less than that. So that's the process of how to get it directly from Edifier official store. So this tells us that if any other store is selling this headphone at around 200 US dollar is genuine, because this is the limit of the discount for this headphone. So if you cannot wait for the sales time or if the sale period has ended, the price will return to 300 US dollar on Edifier official store, but the other stores will have the same low price all the time. So let's now go to our second link, which will take us to another store. Here its price is 220 US dollar all the time, and 6 people have bought it here also. Don't worry, it's genuine and authentic. Here too, if you apply my 25 US dollar off code, you can get it for around 195 or 193 US dollar, which is just amazing. Now if we go to our third link, which will take us to our third store where the price is just 199 US dollar for this headphone, and here you can use my 15 US dollar AliExpress discount code and get it in just 183 or 180 also because of the coins which is extra. Can you imagine getting such an expensive headphone and a high-end audiophile headphone in such reasonable price? I 100% recommend this. So go ahead and buy from wherever you want or think is right. It's your choice. Must use these discount codes, and these codes are valid for all the types of products in AliExpress. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Thank you.